This is a one-bedroom apartment in Tanjong Pagar. It is very premium, and what we are going for, right, is according to client's theme, which is black and gold. My client saw another client's house, which is black and gold, but his is a little bit more gentleman's club, whereas by this client, right, his personality is more flamboyant. Hence, when he requested for me to replicate the look, right, I said, no, let's not replicate. Let's create something that is uniquely you, signature of you. Hence, I created something that is more drama mama, that is befitting of his own personality. Okay, generally, most people will think that it's going to be very small and cramped if we have the entire house in black, but it's not true, because when it's black, right, the entire border, right, the boundary recedes into blackness. So you don't really see boundary, hence the space will actually appear a bit bigger than smaller, especially so when we have more uniform kind of thin panels cladding the entire wall. And the beauty about this is it's rarely used in Singaporean homes, which is something I'm very proud of, because I actually went out to source and to get this pattern, made it such that all the three walls, right, they are all clad in the same thin panel for seamlessness. And if you take a look at the rug, right, it's actually black and white in color theme, which is a bit different from the black and gold theme, but because we wanted to break up the monotony of the black space. And also, I tried to introduce this diamond shape, which will recur throughout the house, so that there's design synergy to it. Hence, the aristocratic look is formed by simple gestures like this. If you take a look at the TV, right, I didn't want the TV to be just a TV. I wanted it to be like a piece of art. So we customized framing so that whatever shows on the screen, right, will look like, you know, a moving piece of art. And this fireplace, right, we call it the faux fireplace because it's fake. Faux fireplace, it was chosen to be in dark color, black, so that it doesn't stand out. And then we have this fake firewood. It's a cute feature that gives it the coziness minus the heat. And if you take a look at this pendant lamp, right, it's actually very, very antique in feel, which is what we want, because we don't want the whole house to be full of modern features. We want it to have that antique feel to nicely play off this whole thin panel as well as the portrait. And this is our kitchenette. I call it the kitchenette because it's so tiny. If you take a look, right, this is actually a bar concept. So what happens is, I wanted to create a bar with kitchen features inside because my client doesn't cook much. The most is Maggi mee. So this kitchen, right, is actually a bar with kitchen features instead of a kitchen that has bar features. So there lies the difference. And we clad the entire wall with nice marble-like tiles. Okay? And I actually went to source wings to give that fallen angel feel, you know, because it's decadent, scene and drinking and booze and all that, right? So the fallen angel theme is very evident here. Plus, I even went to source for the word bar in the exact font that I want, which is more art deco. And if you take a look at the handles, right, it is very decorative because I wanted it to look very art deco, hence the seashell shape. And this tiny, tiny kitchen managed to hide a washer. So we don't want the washer to be in full view, right? It's so ugly, hence it's all hidden here. Then all these nice decorative features, right, are what makes it more bling bling. So you will think, you know, hey, what's the cage doing here? It's actually a candle holder, right, in cage form. So the whole thing, right, is really dramatic, large and luxe feel. It just conjures the feeling of very sexy bar feel. So during the brief, my client gave one important element that he wants, which is a talking point and a key design element. So I thought, wouldn't it be nice if I introduce a life-size horse and fuse it with functional purpose, which means horse, decorative, and we fuse it with a dining table to act as the body. So we customize the entire table, okay, to have the nice rim and nice legs. This is fully customized to match with the whole horse head. So this is the signature piece that when you enter the house, the first thing you see is this thing. It anchors the look. This horse element is also going to recur inside the bedroom because we want the whole very suave look for him because he's quite good looking. But at the same time, right, I wanted to have a signature piece on top to draw your eye up. So hence, I transformed this whole wine rack into a plant rack as well, recurring everywhere to have that wow look. Another key feature of this house is the fact that it's located in CBD area, which means what we have, right, is a very spectacular port view. Hence, I wanted to maximize it by framing up this view with a nook. So this nook is actually a dining nook, and you can see the gold laminate, right? It frames up this whole view. This is our $1 million view that you will not and cannot miss. One key point about this house is it is full of decorative features. Okay, so I had to go down getting a gramophone to match the entire feel. And this gramophone actually can play CD, Bluetooth, and real vinyl. So it's interesting, and it's really, to me, it's value for money. Also, things like this, I had to source for my client. So to him, right, he was very shocked that I actually bought this. It's a wine bucket. To him, it's like, huh, you actually thought of buying this for me? I say, yeah, I mean, you have to really live your lifestyle, right? This is your lifestyle, hence I propose this. So it's all the nitty-gritty details that makes the design. That marks the end of our home tour. You're wondering, you mean the client just drink all day and doesn't sleep or sleep on the couch? Where's the bedroom, right? Actually, the beauty of this place, right, lies in the fact that we conceal many stuff. For example, for storage, right, random storage, we have all these tin panels to conceal. Ta-da! The bomb shelter, which also hides all the barang. So the bottlers racks are there to serve their purpose. And then, where is the bedroom, you may ask? Ta-da! This mirror is specially designed to conceal the entrance to the master bedroom. And how do you open it? By just pressing this. It's a tic-tac door. See? It's seamless and nobody can ever guess that there's a bedroom inside. And this is the master bedroom bathroom. I designed the door in such a way that it's a barn door with barn door mechanism, yet we have this nice sexy red glass that allows light to go through without being able to see what business the person inside is doing. And with the gold handle, right, if you take a look, all these details makes a difference because they add in the glamour touch. And then when you look inside, you will realize the black and white theme is shown through the choice of the floor tiles. Okay, so because this bathroom is very, very tiny, the whole strategy is to use one type of tile to tile all the walls so that it looks more seamless and visually it will expand and look bigger. And the main thing is we try to source for nice accessories to make this otherwise very small bathroom significant and full of style. So from the pendant lamp right up to the mirror, right up to the shelf, and this very, very interesting sink, which is antique in feel and has nice gold legs and stuff. And on this side, because I want this whole thing to be very decorative, hence we put in the same wine rack with plants, and also this whole recurring theme of the portrait, right, comes into the bathroom as well with all these gold accents. We also sourced for this very premium toilet bowl from Germany, and it took like airplane over, very expensive, but yet it's very stylized in feel. Okay? Even the toilet paper look is black. For this master bedroom, the key feature is this horse. Ta-da! I wanted a signature piece, right, that will give the wow factor the moment you enter the bedroom. So once you enter, right, you will see this leaping horse that leaps out of the wall. And I think it's very majestic and handsome. Hence, I also designed a frame to accentuate this key design element. So this key feature is nicely played off by the wallpaper. And this wallpaper is equally sexy because it has gold trimmings and is specially indented from overseas. Having said that, previously the bedroom was very occupied by this huge wardrobe. And because my client has very minimal clothes, right? He doesn't need a wardrobe. So we dismantled this whole thing and had this sexy designer rack. Also, because this is obviously not enough, we have a very small side dresser for him to put in all his t-shirts and shorts. But of course, he's keeping it quite empty now because it's really very minimal. The floor actually used to be just tiles, normal tiles, but I thought it doesn't gel with the rest of the house. Hence, we opted for marble textured vinyl flooring. So you can see it's seamless throughout the house, from the living room right up to the bedroom, so that the entire space looks bigger. It opens up the space. Because of the prime location of this condo, we had to play up the $1 million view by making the balcony the perfect chilling space. Hence, we bought nice furniture that is LED operated so that it lights up nicely at night. We have come to the end of our house tour. This may be a very small unit, but the effort put in is humongous. It's one of the craziest projects I've done. But I'm so proud of it because it's not every day that a designer gets to design a theme like this. And I'm so glad that I made it work, and I think it looks $1 million. I hope it can sell for $1 million too. So remember to subscribe to my channel to see more of the content, such content, interesting content. So please subscribe. See ya!